Injective has launched a new way for everyone to get involved in the Blackrock Buidl Fund. Aave pumps amid the market downturn, and NVIDIA says it never received a subpoena from the Department of Justice. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, altcoinbuzz.io, and as always, do not financial advice. We wish the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Bitcoin network activity has hit a 3-year low as a sense of disinterest descends over the crypto markets. In one of its quick take blog posts on September 4th, on-chain analytics platform CryptoQuant warned over new Bitcoin price weakness. Bitcoin transaction numbers have suffered as a result of months of sideways Bitcoin price action. At their peak in mid-March, around the time Bitcoin set its most recent all-time high, daily active addresses numbered nearly 1.2 million. Now that number is just 838,000, with a recent low in late August coming in at just 744,000. CryptoQuant notes this marks the lowest active daily tally since 2021. A decline in active addresses indicates less overall activity on the Bitcoin network, i.e. fewer transactions are taking place, which may reflect less interest in using the network at this point in the market. The data feeds into the overall narrative of frustration around the current market landscape, with Bitcoin unable to establish any definitive trend. The Puel multiple, which compares the value of daily mined Bitcoin to its 365-day moving average, is also treading water. For CryptoQuant, both metrics suggest that a long-term buying opportunity could soon result for market participants, and for some investors, a drop in active addresses and price can be seen as an opportunity to buy Bitcoin in anticipation of a future rally. And Checkmate writes on X, the Bitcoin consolidation is evolving. The swings are getting larger and more sustained. It screams to me that this price range is becoming unstable and the market is ready to move somewhere else. Sui is gearing up for a hot September. One of the ecosystem projects that stands out is the SuiNS, and this is Sui's own name service. The protocol is very busy at the moment. It has plenty of new developments going on, and this includes the possibility of a second airdrop. One of their big news announcements is that SuiNS is becoming decentralized. This means that NS token holders can take part in governance. They'll all have a say in the future direction of the protocol. The governance rewards also set SuiNS apart from any other name service, and that includes ENS. The reason is that there's governance rewards. Furthermore, there are no multi-stakeholder updates. Instead, updates happen through a decentralized system. The launch of the NS token will be on the 10th of September, and there will be a total of 500 million NS tokens. SuiNS name holders already received an airdrop, but there's a lot of speculation going around that there'll be a second airdrop round for holders. And on the gaming side, Sui is scheduled to launch the SuiPlay OX1 in the first half of 2025. The SuiPlay OX1 will be the world's first handheld Web3 gaming device. And at the Korea Blockchain Week this week, Sui revealed many more details, and more than 1,500 pre-orders came in during the first 24 hours after the announcement. The SuiPlay OX1 is in line to be the biggest consumer product launch ever in Web3. The SuiPlay OX1 is a Playtron device with its own OS that's device agnostic. It lets you play many games you already know and like, and these include games from Epic Games and Steam across devices. The device is powerful and it's like a mini computer in your hand, but with only one goal in mind, a great gaming experience. Along with compatible games, you can expect Sui to jump in and create mini games themselves. One Sui-powered game is X-Society. It's a pop shooter style game with RPG elements, dynamic PvP style gameplay, and great immersive experiences where you aren't just PvP, but also playing PvE as well. And many more games are coming soon in the weeks and months ahead. Yesterday, we covered the story that NVIDIA had just received a subpoena from the US DOJ, which had caused the single largest day sell-off in the company's stock. But then last night, NVIDIA denied reports that it had received a subpoena from the Department of Justice over antitrust concerns. They said we inquired with the US Department of Justice and have not been subpoenaed. Nonetheless, we're happy to answer any questions regulators have about our business. Bloomberg reported on Tuesday that NVIDIA had received a subpoena, causing the stock to slip in after-hours trading, and the chipmaker shares had already given up nearly 10% during regular trading hours on Tuesday. The company's recent rise has been directly tied to its dominance in artificial intelligence chips for data centers years before competitors AMD and Intel started taking the category seriously. According to industry estimates, NVIDIA already has more than 80% of the data center AI chip market, and Amit wrote on X, was the entire NVIDIA sell-off based on literal fake news? I trust Jensen over the news outlets, so if NVIDIA says they haven't been subpoenaed, you have to wonder how this rumor even hit mainstream news outlets last night. Aave, the decentralized finance protocol, has seen a massive surge in activity recently, and as a result, the Aave price has shot up by 8% in the last 24 hours, moving all the way to $135 levels. According to recent data from Spot On Chain, 2 Aave whales have withdrawn a staggering 67,197 Aave tokens, valued at over $9 million from crypto exchange Binance in the last 24 hours. The 2 whales that likely belong to the same entity withdrew 16,592 Aave tokens worth $2.22 million for the first time, and on the other hand, another address withdrew a total of 50,605 Aave tokens valued at $6.8 million some 20 hours before. Thus, the total withdrawals for Aave stand at 125,605 tokens, worth a staggering $16.9 million. This significant whale activity comes as Aave has been gaining traction due to its new economic model. Since late July, the Aave price has surged from $90 to $143, making it one of the top performing DeFi tokens in the market. Some market predictions also suggest that Aave will top $200 by September's end. And this is as Aave Labs recently announced its collaboration with MakerDAO for an ambitious project dubbed Sky Aave Force that seeks to bridge the gap between traditional finance and DeFi. Injective has introduced a new tokenized index for Blackrock's Buidl Fund, enabling users to track the fund's supply. According to a statement from Injective, this index is the first perpetual market of its kind. It will allow users to gain access to the Buidl Fund in a way that was previously unavailable. The Buidl Fund, also known as the BlackRock USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund, is BlackRock's first tokenized offering on a public blockchain. It provides institutional investors with exposure to U.S. Treasuries and other assets. The Buidl Fund allocates investments into U.S. Treasury bills, cash, and repurchase agreements, allowing investors to generate yield while maintaining their holdings as tokens on the blockchain. And despite a correlation with the crypto industry, the fund has maintained a positive trajectory amid the ongoing market turmoil. According to Injective, the fund has accumulated over $500 million in assets under management, making it the largest tokenized fund to date. Previously, the Buidl Fund required a minimum investment of $5 million, and with the launch of the Buidl Index, users can now access the fund with as little as $1. The Buidl Index will be available exclusively on the Injective blockchain through various decentralized applications. It will enable traders to access tokenized assets with leverage and track the fund's supply rather than just its price.